Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to the workplace. I'm Mary Beth Main. And again, it's really great to be back on Global News Network. And again, it's super cool to have met a lot of amazing people in Cebu. We were just there a few days ago. And we made a lot of friends, especially in Oslob and Mactan. And everybody who had like photo ops and said that they were watching the show. Maraming salamat. Thank you guys so much. So now, we are talking about, aside from summer vacation and going to the beach and going on adventures, we're talking about another life journey and a full chapter life adventure, and that is actually getting married. So part of getting married is actually planning the marriage or the day of your wedding. So a while ago, I already introduced two amazing girls. That was Lovely and Shalem, and they are part of MediaCom, and they are having an upcoming I Do Wedding Fair this May 16th to 17th, and they just gave us a lot of the details. Again, it's a full day affair. It's absolutely free in Mega Trade Hall 1 in SM Mega Mall, so please do join, and you will be able to meet about at least 88 exhibitors. So one of them was able to make their way and join us today, and like I mentioned earlier, she's been a florist for 8 years and counting. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the amazing Miss Nelsa Manlangin. Hello, Nelsa! Ayan. Okay, buti na lang nakapunta ka dito. So, 8 years kang florist.
Yes,
You've been arranging talaga the flowers. Bakit? Bakit yung pinasukan mong klase ng business?
Kasi it's from my grandmother talaga. Nagsimula siya. Sa province namin, naglalako lang ng mga roses, red roses, moms, like that. Tapos, when my mom started dito sa Dangwa, nag-start siya dito mag-business sa Manila. And then nakita niya kung paano talaga yung flowers talaga sa tao. Like Valentine's Day, araw ng dusk, gano'n. Talaga, iba talaga yung impact pag flowers yung ibibigay sa isang tao.
Okay. Sabi mo province, nag-start yung mom mo sa probinsya. Anong province yan?
It's General Santa City.
Wow! Meron kaming channel doon. Baka gusto mong mag-hi hello sa mga kababayan mo.
Okay.
Okay, sige. And yung mom mo, she's still part?
Yes, ma'am. Siya yung handle ngayon sa business namin. Okay talaga. Bali, ay nagsusupport ako sa kanya para din sa studies, gano'n.
Nag-aaral ka ba?
Yes, ma'am.
High school?
College.
College. Anong year mo na?
Turning to third year.
Third year college. What's your course naman?
Education.
So now you're gonna educate people how to create, to do flower arrangement. Ganun ba?
For children.
Kids. So pag graduate mo, mag-preschool teacher ka.
Yes.
And then on the side, mag-flower arrangements ka din. Uy, okay yun. Tama-tama. I would want to be preschool again, para ikaw yung teacher ko. I'm sure sa classroom may bagong flower arrangement on a daily basis, I'm sure. So, okay, marami kasing mga wedding couples or the bride and groom to be na gusto talaga ng mga bonggang flowers. Pero yung iba, marami rin, yung concern nila is, pagka bili nila ng flowers, okay. Pagdating sa actual event, medyo nalalanda na. What should we look out for? How would we know na okay pa rin mo lang?
Meron kasi tayo here in the Philippines, yan tayo. Meron din from ibang bansa. Kasi mostly kasi sa brides they like yung cheapest to affordable na quality of the flowers. Pero I suggest kasi, pwede naman tayo sa cheapest with the quality here in the Philippines, we have tayo. And international, yun kasi yung mahal, pero quality pa rin yung meron talaga.
Okay.
So, siguro mas maganda talaga, depende talaga tayo sa sa gusto ng bride, kung anong gusto ng flower. Pero creation, tulips, like that, and roses. Kasi roses meron tayong important and local.
So nagbabago din yung price.
Nagbabago yung price.
Alright. And then, you've already created a lot of flower arrangements and ikaw mismo yung nag-arrange.
Hindi, may florist talaga kami. Bali ako, style lang. The combination of colors, the flowers yung views.
Nice. Tapos nandun ka rin sa event mismo.
Yes.
Ayun, kasi yun din yung concern ng bride and groom kung dumating na yung mga bulaklak, diba?
Talagang, kasi, ganyan, ganyan, the coordinators, tawag sa amin kung okay na ba yung setup, and then they will check it. Nice, maganda ba o hindi, ganito yung kamukha ba ng ginaya, ganyan.
Oo. Kasi kung minsan may sinasabi yung bride and groom na ito yung gusto nilang palaki, ito yung itsura, pagdating sa actual event, ano to? Oo. So, but at least somehow, if for example the bride and groom would like to have adjustments, nagagawa rin yun naman during the day. Okay, and I think you have a couple of photos na binigay sa amin. So let's take a look at a couple of their flower arrangements. So let's see, saan to? Wedding rin to.
Yes, ma'am. is centerpiece for weddings.
Nice.
Centerpiece table.
And then, usually, yung mga, ayan, for the
Bridal bouquet, for brides. Yan yung imported roses natin.
Wow. Malalaki talaga siya.
Ito for church setup.
Yun yung parang art.
Yes,
Before
cherry
the-
blossom setup. Yun yung medyo kasi in ngayon sa weddings.
Mga cherry blossoms.
So, fern wood, stairs nila doon.
Nice. As in, talaga cover niyo
Yes,
yan?
flowers. It was last Saturday wedding.
Last Saturday lang
Yes.
yan?
And then last Sunday.
Wow, ang busy nyo. Saturday, Sunday. This is the one, may arch din, yung papuntang...
Yes, ma'am. The whole aisle was art of cherry blossom.
Nice. This is the one sa
For maid of honors, bridesmaids,
other bouquet naman.
the couple's table, their backdrop, cherry blossom,
This is white though. Ayan,
our
bouquet.
brides, bridal bouquet, colorful, important.
Roses din. And that's all roses, green, yellow, and pink. And this is the name of your business. Dangwaflorist. Okay. And of course, an event stylist. So basically yung, parang nakita ko yung damit ko, di ba? Yung flowers. So floral din siya. So, how does it go? They have to go to Dangwa to choose the flowers? Tama ba yung arrangement?
We have a sample pictures na how they would like it. For example, magpapakita kami ng mga sample kung anong gusto nila. Ito, and sasabihin na, oh, gusto ko yan, ito na lang. Gagayahin na lang. Yan ay gawa naman namin. Okay lang, makita talaga. Kasi pag hindi natin gawa, mahirap eh.
Oo,
Tapos,
job.
oo, yun lang. Tapos, meron din silang mga sample pictures na pwede namin gayahin.
Pero sinasabi niyo naman kung kaya or hindi
Oo,
kaya.
kaya hindi. Depende sa availability ng flowers and gamit.
Usually, how early kailangan mag-order in order to get, let's say, for the flower arrangements, kailangan ba may 1 week, alam mo na, 2 weeks, 1 month?
Depends. Pwedeng 1 month, 1 week. Kasi kami, lock on the date talaga. Kailangan i-settle yung date na yun. Kasi meron na kami limits for weddings. 1 week, for 2, gano'n. Kasi marami kasi ginagawa for reception, kami yung nag-aayos, church, and during the lunch.
Okay. You also set it up within Metro Manila or pwede rin outside Metro Manila?
So, meron kaming branch ngayon sa Jensen, Davao, and
Wow. What's happening in Cebu? Everyone seems to be going to Cebu. Okay. And then within Metro Manila, we're now based in Manila. How far outside Manila can you go to? Meron bang limit as to?
wala naman. Tagaytay mostly kami. Last Sunday, Pampanga. Din kami. And then, wala namang limit sa, nag-wedding din kami from Jensen. And then,
Wow. And then meron na rin kayong listahan ng mga flowers na per season, ano yung gusto.
and then, ano yung available that month na yan, ano yung hindi available. Yung, meron kasi mga brides na, for example, pinaka-ingay na bridal case, Unis. Unis kasi meron siya, meron siya seasonal yung flower na yun. So, we have to adjust yung kampa naman niya, yung medyo kahawin na is English rose. Kailangan talagang merong gusto, kasi ayaw nila yung gusto talaga. Ayaw nila yung hindi nila natipo yung flowers. Kaya mahirap din. So, kailangan talagang merong may iba bagay sa gusto nila.
Okay. And then, for example, with this, in terms of the seasonal flowers, meron na rin kayong price list nun. And then, like, let's say, up to how much you bought, magkano yung arches, magkano yung bouquets, meron rin ganun. And then, if they get the whole package, may nag-discount din kayo.
Yes.
And then, the organizers a while ago for the I Do Wedding said, again, exhibitors give up to 70% off. How much discount?
For us is 25%, and we have, if you win and book in win from sa booth namin, may book in win, kami, raffle promo. 25% discount and trip to Boracay.
Wow! As in, yung couple.
Yes.
Kasama yung entourage.
Oh, ay na.
Akala ko kasama yung entourage eh. Couple lang.
Yes.
Sayang. Okay. So the couple after the wedding can go to Boracay, that's like your gift. Trip lang, pero walang hotel, walang, okay. Pero at least may kasamang bouquet, diba? So habang pumunta sila sa Boracay,
Pwede din yung print up nila.
ah, gano'n.
Basta namin sa Dangwaflorist kasi pag print up, nagbibigay kami ng mga free bouquet, free lang yan, and headdress, yung mga ano nila, yung gusto nila gawin sa print up nila.
Wow! So you're not just catering to the actual event, but yung mga photo shoots pwede rin. Oh, okay.
Yung mga alam about flowers, pag gagamitin ng mga flowers, pwede.
Gusto nila mga secret garden, like gano'n. Or like, feel nila, fairies sila. So gusto nila garden looking. So pwede yun. Wow! Pwede ba kayo, like for example, the bride and groom doesn't know where to have a prenup. Meron ba kayo nasa-suggest na place na nasa-set up nyo na rin naman?
Meron sa ano pag garden talaga, it's mostly the Tagaytay meron. We have Tagaytay Highlands, gano'n.
May partners na rin kayo doon. So if ever,
Wala naman, yung masasuggest ko lang na talagang maganda yun.
tapos pwede nyo i-set up. Parang ito transform siya Tagaytay. It's like some form of secret garden. Parang gano'n. Nice. Okay. So, aside from the weddings, you also do prenup shoots. Meron din pa kayo, for example, gusto lang mag-photo op or photo shoot for birthdays, other occasions?
Yes,
ma'am.
for example, pwede rin kami sa yung mga backdrop na ginagawa namin, kung ano yung gusto ng debutant, pwede cherry blossom setup, kasi mga cherry blossom setup yung ginagawa namin din.
Kasi yun yung it.
Yun yung it.
Okay, cherry blossom. Where do you get those from Japan?
Hindi, plastic lang siya.
Okay. Akala ko, ini-import yung mga pag may nakita ang kumukuha from Japan, galing to ng Dangwaflorist. Okay. So, ano lang siya, pwedeng real flowers, tsaka merong backup ng mga plastic. Okay. And then usually, how early should we book, if ever?
Pwedeng kahit last year, next year pa yung wedding, pwede naman.
Okay, so
At least you lock the day. Yun lang naman yung importante. Kasi sa Dangwaflorist kasi yung value, gusto mo yung day na yun. Pag naunahan kayo, hindi namin tumatanggapan.
which is a good thing. At compare sa mga ibang florists na tanggap ng tanggap, tapos yung flowers for the morning event, hahatiin niya for the flowers for the second event, tapos may nakita na akong event, nagpo-pull out sila, hindi pa tapos yung actual event, dahil meron pa silang susunod na event.
Meron nangyayari kasi ganyan naman mostly sa church setup. Kasi sa deal namin with the brides, kailangan i-transfer yung setup na yun sa reception. Kaya kailangan talaga, habang nag-tutorial sila, ano yun, kasi gagamitin naman doon sa reception nila.
Pero kailangan alamin ng bride and groom yung
Kaya
gano'n.
alam nila.
Kasi yung iba, hindi ata nasasabihan, kaya nagugulat na lang sila, bakit nagpo-pull out ng flowers? So, I think at least now, it's also part of the setup. Okay, so for those of you, meron ba kayong website, Facebook
Yes,
page?
website, www.dangwaflorist@yahoo.com and Dangwaflorist on Facebook.
Okay, so nandun lahat. I mean, more than what you
Updated
showed.
kami sa Facebook, talaga.
Doon nakikita yung mga different types of setup. Yun. So for those of you who are looking at, like, again, a florist, you're looking for a florist that's really affordable, but again, on budget, depending on what you need, because sometimes yung mga bride and groom, gusto talaga nila sobrang discounted, pero yung, syempre, yung cost of the travel, cost of the effort, cost of the styling, you have to put a peg on that, also a budget on that. So again, Dangwaflorist is giving up to 20%, 25% off on their setup. So if you book them during May 16 to May 17, again, you have 25% off of their setups. Again, any type of setup, 25% yan, So it could be next year, next year. Okay, depende daw sa event. So again, you just have to talk to our amazing team of Dangwaflorist to really find out when your event's gonna happen. It again could be a baptismal, it could be a debut, it could be a wedding, it could be any particular happy moment, or again any part of your journey. And then you could ask them, you can have a prenup photo shoot, or you can use it for photo shoots. Again, what's really ideal is you know the type of flowers that you have and they are in season. And again, it's up to the budget that you'd like to put in, and you have people who are already savvy, they've been around for 8 years and counting. So, magkakaroon ba kayo ng setup sa event mismo sa the different types of flowers, or food lang namin yung tsaka yung photos? Okay. And again, their Facebook page is Dangwaflorist. So please check out all the photos. If you do like any, you can send them a private message. Ikaw ba yung mag-answer nun?
Miss Early.
Okay.
Yung honor talaga yung mama ko.
Okay, so she's the one who's, and that's what I like about business owners. They're really the ones who talk to the clients and applicants and really get to find out what you guys really need. So before we say goodbye, may gusto ka pang sabihin sa ating mga viewers? Ayan, or invite mo sa booth.
I will invite you for on May 16 and 17 at Mega Trade Hall 1. Who are Buddhist under the category of florists.
Yeah, again, Dangwaflorist, right? So again, if you're looking at floral arrangements like my dress right here from Apostrophe, thank you guys so much. Again, check them out, and then it's up to 25% off. And of course, we just met Miss Nelsa, so maraming salamat. Thank you for being here at the workplace. And guys, you know what? For those of you who I met along my travels, especially in Cebu and Mactan, you know what? What's up next? Mindanao. So hopefully we're gonna go on a trip to Mindanao very, very soon. And of course, I'd like to thank everybody for joining us in the workplace. Again, we'll be back for more with more guests and a lot more updates. So we'd like to thank all of our sponsors. So I'd like to thank David Salon for all the styling, especially Greenbelt One. We'd also like to thank the People Management Association of the Philippines. Grab Taxi, thank you guys for all your support. We'd also like to thank Urban Astro Manila for all the yoga. Manila Dragons, I love you guys, our Dragon Boat team. And of course, everybody else who's been watching The Workplace. And Miss Lulu Tangan for all of our past Filipiniana. And also, what do you call this, Miss Michelle Lim for all the gowns that I've been wearing. Once again, I'm Mary Beth Nate. I'll be back for more upcoming and up-to-date episodes right here in The Workplace. Thank you guys so much for all your support. Once again, I'm Mary Beth Nate. You've met Miss Nelsa and also Miss Lovely and Miss Shalem. Be there May 16 to May 17, Mega Trade Hall 1 in SM Mall. Bye guys!